Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you actually sign up on websites without the use of any email. So if you don't want to create a personal email or certain or for instance use your personal email, so this tutorial is for you. So this method is actually called a temporary email, wherein it is a disposable email that you can use for free. So as you can see, for the signing up, for example, on chat.openai website, you are required to create an account with an email address. So for this one, I'll show you a website called emailnator.com, and just go ahead and generate a new website here if you want, or you can also input what you want here. So you can also customize it on what domain you want. For example, you want it only on Gmail, so you can do that. And then just copy and paste this over here. And then just go over to go here. And the mailbox will show you here on what emails you have received here. And all you need to do is reload it. So for example, you want to go ahead and input a password. So for example, so there, all you need to do is refresh this. And as you can see, all you need to do is verify the email address. And you just have to fill up all of this. So just follow all the steps on a certain website, and you should be good to go on signing up to your website, or signing up on a certain website that uses legitimate emails. So there guys, that is how you can do this. Thank you for watching and goodbye.